there and there. I left some ash just outside here where the sink is. You can see the sink's there, right there. I had some ash that I didn't notice I spilled yesterday before I left, and they didn't clean yet. There's still that ash there, right by the bed here. I do have some staining on the bed. You can see that my bed has not been made yet, because obviously I just woke up about an hour and a half ago, 2 hours ago, had breakfast. Here's some ash right there, smudged in from yesterday, accidentally, didn't realize I smushed it in there. And then the last couple things here, little ash there, a piece of the paper around the top of the cigar, and finally, on the deck, one little smudge of ash there. Testing, number 3 for the cleaning.